morning, this is Mr. Gigabyte, and welcome to the first video in the series Configuring Windows for Your Home Network. In this video, we will be focusing on finding the network settings you will need for the remaining videos in this series. This video was made with a Windows 7 machine, but the steps are basically the same for all versions of Windows. You can find more specific directions to your version of Windows by visiting unleashyourinnergeek.com and reading the blog article that goes with this video. I will include a link in the video description. Let's get started. Before we can share network resources, we need to obtain three pieces of information. These are 1. Your computer's name, 2. the workgroup name, 3. your IP address. Just like websites have human-friendly names, you can provide a human-friendly name to your computer. Also, your workgroup name identifies which computers you will be able to share resources with, because you can only share and access resources within the same workgroup. You can view these settings by following these steps: clicking on the Start menu, then clicking Control Panel. Once the Control Panel window loads, find and click on the system icon. You may need to change your view to icon view first using this drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner. The Computer Name, Domain, and Workgroup Settings section will show you the currently configured settings. You will want to make note of these settings. Once you have documented these settings, you will want to close out of the Control Panel window. The next step is to find your IP address. You will remember from the first post this month that your IP address is a unique identifier for your computer on the network. You can find your computer's IP address by clicking on the Start menu, selecting All Programs, Accessories, and clicking on Command Prompt. At the command prompt, you're going to type in ipconfig /all. Again, that is ipconfig /all and hit the Enter key. You will be presented with a bunch of different information, including your computer's IP address. Like mine here, which is 192.168.0.135. You will want to make a note of your computer's IP address. Now that we have all the necessary network information, we can start sharing resources on our network. Remember that you will want to obtain this information for each computer that will be sharing resources on the network. In the second video of this series, we will look at sharing files on your home network